Hello and welcome to another update on Bitcoin. Yeah, tomorrow we've got the Fed interest rate decision. Market, however, not really too affected, so we still continue to follow the roadmap here for higher prices. In the last video update, we already saw the market react to this micro support region here between $113,490 and $114,975. This is our micro support zone. Price has reacted and price is grinding higher in our price channel, which I think I added to the chart yesterday. I think so. So yeah, from that point of view, the focus remains on higher prices for now. No support is broken, and the fifth wave to the upside, which I'm tracking here, yeah, after the fourth wave likely bottomed on Monday, that should be a 5-wave move itself. And we are likely in the third wave of that fifth wave, so we might grind a little higher. There could be another 4-5 pattern. Ultimately, this is my support zone. Technically or theoretically, it's possible to dip back into this support area to extend the wave 4 if needed, as long as we're holding $113,490. And it should ideally reach the area around $118,000, I'd say. As this looks, at least 117,668 in this fifth wave would be ideal. But I gotta say, if it reaches $118,500, which is the first ideal target here for the white wave 3, then yeah, then it's a viable third wave, which means it could still be the orange B wave. And if a short trade setup appears from here, then I'll point it out. But I will then, if we can get to the 138% extension, I will then also add support for white wave 4. And we might see another higher low and another higher high. And that would actually be the first step that would then, that has the chance to take us to 130K plus, right? Maybe not directly, maybe not in a direct fashion, but this 5-wave move up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, could then be again another wave 1, and then we can track the wave 2 pullback, and then from there we go higher, right? So it could develop into another 1-2 setup. Definitely something interesting to watch, and especially interesting if we also consider all of these long trade setups on altcoins, the altcoin charts that we're tracking, right? I ultimately, from within all the stocks, the charts I cover, the altcoins, I still see more bullish setups than bearish ones. Now, that's probably different in the entire sector, but I'm not normally covering the bearish ones. So from the ones I'm covering, I'm talking about Injective, I'm talking about Casper, Dog with Hat, Virtual, Pengu, Link. They mostly show bullish setups and structures. Even the ones I don't like Polkadot, could still grind higher, right? So that's what I mean, and Bitcoin also is still in a bullish structure here. Yeah, that B wave is now getting close to completion, but who's telling us it has to be the B wave? It could be the white count. So as long as support levels are holding, it can make sense to grind the trend higher, to follow the trend. And but if at any point we get a 5-wave move down that is large enough to break a micro support area, that would be a big warning that we get a local top. So bear in mind, tomorrow there could be a lot of volatility. That's basically it here, not too much more to add. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, make sure to follow us on X for additional updates, chart updates, news, much more. Here you can also get additional updates in addition to the ones that we publish on YouTube. So check it out. Link is in the description and in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.